It's our newest board and trained Hoover. Hoover is a 1-year-old coon hound. Really sweet disposition. Issues are the usual culprits: counter surfing, jumping, mouthing, all that stuff. So we'll work on that. But also he's a hound and they have a big piece of property. They would like for him to be reliable off leash so he can run around and have a good time. So he's a pretty smart boy. Let's see what he already knows. Hoover, come. Hoover, come. This is a boy. Sit, 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 sit. Okay, so knows a little bit at least, but very smart, so I'm sure he'll pick up quickly. Mostly we're going to make sure he's 100% off leash and take care of those kind of typical puppy behaviors. So check back in a couple of weeks.
Touch. Good boy, that's a boy. Good job. Break. That's a good boy. Oh. Good job. Good boy. Hoover, place. Good boy, that's a good boy. Good boy, buddy. Yep. You overshot it, bud. Good boy. Hoover, place. There's our boy. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Break. That's a good boy. Good job. There he is. Good. All right. We'll mess with him here a little bit. Set the car alarm off. What a champ. Let's go get him. Hoover, break! Break! That's a good boy. Oh, yeah, that's a good job, buddy. Yeah. Down. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Down. Down. Good boy. Break. That's a good boy. Oh, yeah. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Yep. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Hoover. Good boy. Break. That's a good boy. Good job. Hoover, come. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. Oh, that's a good Hoover. Yeah, good boy. Down. Good boy. Hoover, break! Break this a good boy!